How's it going, everyone? Laser here, and today we will be unboxing not one, not two, but 5 different PlayStation 5 controllers. We have them all here. As you know, there's a total of 6, but since the white one is the default one which you get with the console, we're not going to unbox that. Nobody cares about the standard black and white controller, which you can see over here. It's the standard stuff, so let's get it out of the way. And let's start with this one, the pink one. Let's see how it looks like, what's inside, and whether you should get it. Wow, this is a very intense pink. It's much more intense than you can see on the box. It's actually like a neon pink. Definitely not for me, but I can see how someone could get one, for example, for his girlfriend or his wife, so they don't, the colors don't mix up and you don't swap your controllers. Definitely an interesting one. Let's see what else is in the box, if there's anything else. We have a standard instruction. And that's it. You just get the instruction and the controller. Okay, let's keep opening the other ones. And now the blue one. Okay, I already like this one much more. The color is a bit more toned down and it looks really great, especially combined with the black color over here. All right, let's open another one. And here we have the purple one. It looks great. I think it looks better than the blue one, actually. It might be, for now, my favorite color out of all of the ones that we have unboxed. Really looks great with the black. It's not too intense. It's not too dark. Yeah, definitely would look great on my desk, especially paired with the faceplates for PlayStation 5, which Sony has released recently. I can imagine that would look really, really nice on everyone's desk. Okay, let's keep unboxing. Okay, I just have to say that this one is definitely my favorite now. The purple one was great, but the all black one is just fantastic. And there is like a slight difference in shade in the blacks here. I don't know if you can see it on the video, but like this black, the standard black, which comes in every version in every color version, is slightly different than this one. Maybe it's the matter of texture. Maybe because this thing is a bit more matte, I don't know. Okay, we have one more to go. And here is the red one. This looks also very, very nice, especially combined with the black. If this was white, it wouldn't look as good as it looks right now. Definitely a bold look, and if you liked it, pairing it with the red case for PlayStation 5, the red faceplate, definitely look great. But still, the black one that we have unboxed so far is my favorite. Okay, let's see how they stack up against each other. So there you have it, the complete collection of the PlayStation 5 controllers that have been released so far, all the colors that are out there, and see for yourself which one looks best for you. My personal opinion is that the black one, the really like a very minimalistic look, very toned down look is for me the best, and I think the second best is the purple one. Alright, let me know in the comments below which one would you choose. If you like this video, consider subscribing to the channel for more similar content like this. I'm Lazark, thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon.